Question 13, multiply out and simplify this. Okay, a few different ways you've got of doing this. You can use FOIL, you can like draw the lines on, you can kind of draw the grid method. The lines kind of look a bit like a smiley face, but it doesn't matter as long as you get 4 terms and then you squish them down. Alright, so first ones I need to multiply, so first in the brackets, this is the FOIL method, so F is for first, so x times x gives me x squared. Next I've got the outside 2, so x times minus 3 gives me minus 3x. Next I've got, is that a minus 7 and an x? Let's go, oh no, it's a plus 7 and an x, times plus 7 and x, so you get plus 7x. And lastly, 4.5 to go back to black first. Oh, actually, let's go for purple. Ooh. So that is 7 times minus 3 gives you minus 21. Okay, so that's your 4 different terms. Alright, collect your like terms. It should usually be 2 in the middle that go together. Minus 3x plus 7x gives you plus 4x. So answer is x squared plus 4x minus 21. Okay, next one is factorize fully 6xy 12x minus 12x squared. The fact it says the word fully, okay, and the fact that there is 2 marks tell you that you're going to get more than one thing on the outside, usually 2 things. All right, let's look at numbers first. I've got 6 and 12. What goes in 6 and 12? Well, 6 does, okay? I've got x and x squared. They've got an x in common, so take out an x, and then that's it because the second one hasn't got y's in it. All right, what do I times by 6x to get 6xy? Well, I need my y in there. And then what do I times by 6x to get 12x squared? I need minus 2x. So your answer, 6x and then y minus 2x. Rearrange this formula to make x the subject. I've got a equals x squared minus 4y. Alright, x the subject means I want the x to be by itself. So minus 4y goes across and you get a plus 4y equals x squared. I need to get rid of the squared, so do that, square root. So therefore your x is equal to the square root of a plus 4y, and that is your answer there. Alright, and last one, part D, y is inversely proportional to x, and y is 30 when x is 4. Alright, let's take this inversely proportional bit first of all, and let's make this into an equation. So y, the proportional sign is this thing that looks like a funny fish, and because it's inversely proportional, it's 1 over x, okay? If it doesn't say inversely, it's just y funny fish x. If it's inversely, 1 over. Sometimes they say of 2x squared or something, and then you just change that. Alright, the funny fish, you replace that with equals k, so you've now got y equals k over x. Okay, and that is your equation. Now the problem with this equation is we don't know what k is. So this is where this second bit of information comes in useful. So y is 30 when x is 4. We can substitute these in to decide what k is going to be. So y is 30 when x is 4. So y is equal to 30 is equal to k over 4. That means that k is equal to 120. So your final answer, you write out the formula, but instead of writing k, you write 120. Y equals 120 over x.